Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is round 2 for me at Walgreens this week. I do have 2 separate transactions. These deals started on Sunday, June 13th, and they are good up until Saturday, June 19th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the deals. Okay guys, so as I stated, I did do 2 transactions. So in my first transaction, I grabbed the Scott toilet paper, Scott paper towels, both of the Gain laundry detergents, and 2 of the Colgate toothpaste. That's my first transaction, and then everything else you see is my second transaction. Also, in my first transaction, I used a store coupon, registry rewards, and then I had a digital booster, get $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $20. So we're going to go ahead and start with the Colgate. So the Colgate is priced at Walgreens this week for $4. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and purchase 2 of the Colgate toothpaste at $4, and that's going to bring your total to $8. We do have a $4 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $8 minus that $4 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to $4. And when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. I did receive my $4 registry reward. I just don't have it with me right now, but it did in fact print for me. So with receiving that $4 registry reward, it made those Colgate toothpaste completely free. So super nice and easy freebie deal to do this week at Walgreens. And then I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these Gain laundry detergents. These are the larger bottles, the 100 ounce. So these are priced at Walgreens this week, 2 for $20. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So I went ahead and purchased 2 at 2 for $20. I also used a $10 P&G coupon on these. So $20 minus that $10 P&G coupon that I used, it brought the total down to just $10 for both. And because I purchased 2, I did receive my $4 registry reward. So $10 minus that $4 registry reward that I received brought the total down to just $6 for both, or it makes each one just $3. So not the best deal, but when you combine that with Spin Booster, it makes the deal much better. So that's what I have for the Gain. And then I went ahead and grabbed the Scott paper towels and the Scott toilet paper. They are regularly priced at $5. They are buy one get one 50% off this week. So one will ring up at $5. The second one will ring up half off at $2.50. That will be a grand total of $7.50. If you check your Walgreens account, we do have a $1 digital coupon for the Scott toilet paper. So $7.50 minus that $1 digital coupon makes the total $6.50, making each one just $3.25. So that is everything that I got in my first transaction, you guys. So let me just go ahead and show you my receipt. So as you can see, the Scott paper towels rung up at $5. The Scott tissue half off at $2.50. Both of my Gain rung up at 2 for $20. Both of my Colgate rung up at $4 each, so $8. There's the $4 store coupon that I used. My $4 digital came off for the Colgate, $1 digital for the Scott. That is the $10 P&G coupon, and then I also used a $6 registry reward. So it brought my subtotal to $10.50. I did use $10 in Walgreens cash, so I paid the 50 cents out of pocket. And when you look down here, I got back $5.21. That $5 came from me spending $25. So I got back that $5. I got back my $4 registry reward for the Colgate, and I did not get my $4 registry reward back for the Gain, but I did call customer service, and they did go ahead and credit that $4 to my account. Not quite sure why the $4 registry reward did not print for the Gain. There was nothing wrong with the Catalina machine because it printed for the Colgate. So not sure why that didn't print, but customer service did get that back to me. So no complaints there. So that is everything that I got in my first transaction, you guys. And so now let's go ahead and move on over to my second transaction. Okay guys, so in my second transaction, I went ahead and I grabbed 3 bags of chips. I grabbed the sour cream and onion, the salt and vinegar, and then this bag is open, but I grabbed the cheddar and sour cream. And with the chips this week at Walgreens, they are priced at 3 for $6. So I grabbed 3 of those. I grabbed a total of 10 Butterfingers, and then I grabbed 2 of the Gillette Shave Gel. So no coupons for the chips. They were just priced at 3 for $6. I had a registry reward that I wanted to use, so I used that registry reward on that. Now with the Butterfingers are priced at Walgreens this week at $2 for $1. So what you're going to want to do is purchase 10 of them. When you purchase 10, that's going to bring your total to $5. If you have the Checkout 51 account, Checkout 51 has a rebate back to where you can get $1 back when you buy 2. The limit is 5. So I purchased 10 Butterfingers, totaling me $5. I submitted my receipt to Checkout 51 for $5, and I did get back the $5. So all 10 of these Butterfingers ended up being completely free, you guys. So check your Checkout 51 account to get yourself some free Butterfingers. If you have 2 accounts, go ahead and do this deal twice. I am a fan of Butterfinger, so I did have to go ahead and snatch up this deal. This is a really, really nice deal. And then lastly, I went ahead and grabbed 2 of the Gillette Foam Shave Gels. These are priced at my store for $2.99. The deal is buy one, get one 50% off. So one will ring up at $2.99. The second one will ring up half off at $1.49. So $2.99 plus $1.49 is $4.48. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So $4.48 minus the $4 registry reward that I received, which is right here. That brought my total down to just 48 cents for both, or it makes each one just 24 cents. So let me go ahead and show you my receipt. So as you guys can see, one of my shave gels rung up at $2.99. The second one rung up half off at $1.49. All of my chips rung up at $2 each, 3 for $6. And then all 10 of my Butterfingers rung up at $5 total. I used a $4 store coupon and a $6 registry reward. So it brought my subtotal to $5.48. I used $5 in Walgreens cash and paid the 48 cents out of pocket. And then the only thing I got back was 60 cents plus my $4 registry reward for the Gillette Foam and my $5 that I got back from Checkout 51 for purchasing the Butterfinger. So this is what I got for my second round at Walgreens, you guys. All of this stuff is stuff that I wanted. I needed some more tissue and paper towels, and then of course I sell my gain in my bundles, and then these chips are going to be gone almost immediately. And then of course, why not get some more free toothpaste? I donate that anyway, and I will most definitely be chowing down on these Butterfingers, of course not all in one day, over time. So yeah, really, really good transactions for me today. Like I said, nothing special, but this is what I wanted to get. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. If you all enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you guys have gotten so far this week at Walgreens. If you do plan on getting the gain, don't forget to submit your receipt to the PNG Good Everyday website so that you can get some points for the gain. I have not submitted my receipt yet, but I am going to do so. And check your Fetch Rewards apps, your Checkout 51 app to see if you have the rebate for the Butterfinger. Also, don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points. So again, that's going to be it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video.